Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Speedway. Guys, inside this video I'm going to show you another powerful strategy that can help you to catch up your trading boom and crash on your mobile phone. So this strategy really works well and is very powerful. So I think this is one of the best strategy that you can use on your phone right now. So guys, so if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you want to join my Telegram group, kindly join my Telegram group. The link is in the description of the video. So do wait to follow me, please. Kindly like and subscribe and share this video. I really appreciate that. Thanks. So let me first explain how this strategy works. So as you can see now, we have our two window here. This is our charts. We have our charts here, and we have our window one here. This is our window one here. So what we need to do is we are going to use this our window one to follow up our charts, our charts. So that is how to get our accurate results. So this is boom 1000 minute time frames on 5-minute time frames. So this strategy works on all boom and crash. So you can use this strategy on boom on crash 1000, boom 1000, other boom and boom 300, 900. You can use it on any in any pair. So but this strategy now I'm going to explain it on boom 1000. So kindly watch this video because I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy also. So as you can see here, we have our window one with a level of 150, and we have our another level of negative 150. So this is the two level that we are going to be looking for the market, and we have our buy trend here that give us the trade. We have our sell entry too. So anywhere you have the blue reaching up the 150 level like this, let me show you guys, like this level now. Anytime you have your blue 9 reaching that level of 150 here, that is to tell us that we have a downtrend trade. So you can catch up your candlestick, let me be like 10 to 15 times before you take your profit. So you can see what is happening here. The same candle that we have here is even more than that. It's even more than that if you count it. And the same principle also go for this red 9. If you have the red 9 touching the negative 150 at this particular level, that means that our trade is going to move on the spike level on boom 1000. So that is exactly how this strategy works. So let me show you the strategy. And also another thing that I want you guys to notice is this: anytime you are moving your trade, you must only take those 9 that sit on this particular 150 level. Okay, let me try to explain. You can see what happened here, that if you move your trade from the end part, we can see that the 9, which is our blue 9 that we are using for confirm, sits on this 150 level. It does not move away from it. That's when to confirm your good entry. You can see that it's sitting on that 150 level. So that's one of the trade that you can take. So this is a confirmed trade for you now. We see one here. Let me show you more of what I also mean. You can see what this one is all about now. You can see this level now, that it's not yet meets the 150 level. So that is to tell us that the entry is not really confirmed. But still, we still have the trade. We still have the trade on the market, but still is still not yet confirmed. So let's look for other. You can see what is happening here. Example now, we have another one confirmatory entry here. You can see what happened here, and that is the same thing that we are having at this area. So you take down your trade as you want. You can see we have it at this level. So that is to give us a confirmed entry. If we trace it up now, it's going to be around here, and you can see what happened here. We keep on selling down on a great massive time. So let's keep on checking. Yes, we have another entry at this particular level. See this one now. We see this. So you can see this. you can see what the spike did. So that's exactly how to use this strategy. You can see that it sits on that one negative 150 before it move away from it. So you can see this one is not really much accurate, but still you can still use it to catch up your spike if you are able to risk more of your capital. And you can see this also, same thing, same principle also works here. You can see same principle also works here. So if you trace this back, it's going to be around here. You see what the market do. So that's how to use this strategy. So this strategy works on boom 1000 very well. It works on boom 500 very well, and it works on crash 1500 very well. So you can also try to set up this strategy and see how it works. So let me show you guys the setup of this strategy. So in the setup of this strategy, we have our commodity channel index, which is our commodity channel index. We have the period of 5. We have the apply to be typical price. You see that? So just make sure you screenshot this particular place, and we see our level here, our negative 150, and we have our 150 also. So what you just need to do is to leave it at that, and you can change your color at this particular side. You change it to the color of your color of your background. So you change it to color of your background, you understand. So that is how to do that on our commodity channel index. So now you move to your envelope. You move to your envelope, and we have our period of 14. We have shift to be 0. We have divisional to be 0.1100. So that's it. We have our methods to be to be simple. So that's it. We have our apply to to be close. So that is how to set it up. And also we have our style to be in this color. So to be in this color, so that this is what we want from it. So to have this color like this, just do it the way I do it in this video, so that you can have the same results. So don't worry, don't bother yourself on this, because I did not have it. I've moved the feasibility of it. So once you do it like that, then you click on done. Then you are going to have the same setup that I have here. You can see what the market is doing. The market is keep on going for the right confirmation entry. So guys, so thanks guys. So kindly subscribe to my channel, and do way to like and subscribe to this channel, and join our Telegram group for more updates, signals, and more information on more video like this. Thanks.